In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to screen share on TikTok Live. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need TikTok Live access. That means having at least 1000 followers and being 18 years or older. Once you qualify, here's how to start screen sharing. Open TikTok, tap on the plus icon given at the bottom middle, click on the option Live. Now set it to mobile gaming. This is a feature that lets you screen share. Next, set up your stream settings, add a topic, adjust your options, and when you are ready, hit go live. You'll see a countdown, and once it finishes, TikTok will start broadcasting everything on a screen. For example, if you are streaming a game like Minecraft, your viewers will see exactly what's happening in real time, and that's it. You are now screen sharing on TikTok Live. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.